What's that button?
Dude, don't push the button.
But it's big and it's red but it blinks.
No. Don't push it. All right? No. No! No!
2 hands.
This kitchen can turn into a table with a cool tray to serve what I make. A magic tray. When there's cookies on the tray, it says, cookies. 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 Cookies.
And now, me eat cookie.
Why do you have a button in your car that does this?
I don't know!
And when you put other sets like barbecue on the tray, it says more stuff. Cookies. 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 A magic tray. A magic tray. A magic tray. A magic tray. Cause when you put pizza on it, it knows. It knows. It knows. Cause when you put pizza on it, it knows. It knows.
And now, me eat cookie.
I told you not to push it!
So, what's with the pacifier?
The pacifier? Where did he come from?